Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Matilda. Well, today this is the look I'm going to be creating for you guys. So this is a very easy everyday look with a pop of color, and I just decided to create this look for those that will be on the go and don't have much time to do lots of makeup and blending. So this is a very easy look which has a bit of glam, but it's still very easy to achieve. So if you like this look you see, then keep on watching, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and comment down below to share your thoughts. And let's get into the video. So I'm going to start off my Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and I'm just going to be blending that all over my face. I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm just going to be blending that underneath my eyes, my eyelid, on my forehead, and on my nose. I'm going to use my Benign Banana Powder to set everywhere I apply the concealer. I'm going in with my Milani Compact Powder, and I'm going to set the perimeters of my face, the places I didn't apply the concealer. I'm contouring with my face definer from Zaron, contouring my cheekbones, contouring my forehead, and I'm going to apply it on my lid just to set the concealer I put. Then I'm going to be contouring my nose, highlighting my face, setting my face, and I'm gonna apply my lipstick. I applied my lashes off camera, put highlighter on my nose, my cupid's bow, and my brow bone. If you guys want a tutorial on eyelash application, let me know. And that is the finished look. And this is the final look, guys. As you can see, it was a very easy look to achieve. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more of me, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Share your thoughts down below, and also do not forget to follow me on my social media. I'm going to leave it on here so you can follow me along in my journey. So goodbye, guys.